Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the second half of October. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to take it according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Leos the second half of October. Okay, we have the Chariot, the Page of Swords, the Five of Swords, the Hierophant, the Tower, the Ace of Pentacles, okay, the Queen of Swords, the Nine of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords. Okay, King of Cups, the Ten of Wands, it's the Seven of Cups, the Four of Swords. No point. See what is the message from this deck for Leos. The Nine of Diamonds. Okay. Guidance from the angels. Okay, Two of Emotion. So Leos, with the Chariot, something really picked up pace very fast in your life. Okay, things started happening very fast, or life started moving very fast, but there is something, there is certain situation, there's something which happened very fast and picked up pace very fast in your life, and it was that the pace with which you were running, or life was moving forward, or this relationship was moving forward, you found yourself crossing certain barriers. You were pretty happy and content with the way it was, and this helped you cross some difficulty or a barrier or a phase of life which was tough perhaps. So whatever picked up pace made you glide through, or made you pass through a phase of life or a situation in life, something in life in an easier way. Okay, and you were able to reach at the other edge. Okay, so there was a difficult time, whatever it was, or perhaps you were trying to balance something, but what I feel majorly is there was a phase which this energy, with the Chariot energy, you are able to cross it easily. Some difficult phase of your life, There was something which was huge, but this energy didn't make it feel that huge or tough for you. So it was huge, it was tough, but with the help of this energy, it made you, it helped you pass through it easily. That's what I'm getting over here. So you've nearly reached that phase of life, or that completed that struggle, or whatever it was. But then, give me some. I just want to see if it's your energy or I'm picking up the energy of somebody else over here. See, what I'm getting here is it's somebody else who is now, see, since you have, there was a tough phase of life or some situation of a life which you have glided through peacefully with this chariot energy, because things picked up fast in your life. See, it can be one more thing. If it is a relationship, perhaps things picked up fast, and then once you are about to reach the other end of the Hierophant over here, we have the Hierophant, the Tower, the Ace of Pentacles. So there is definitely something here. Something is bothering someone, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. Who is this? You or the other person? See, it can be that you have crossed, have you left this person, that this person is feeling bad about it. With the Five of Swords, there is somebody who is worried, who is sort of feeling bad about themselves. Perhaps this is the, perhaps you've left someone very fast. It can be that also, because here I see with the Five of Swords and the Hierophant and the Tower, I think you've maybe you've left a relationship very fast. And here, because it is Hierophant, it is giving me the vibe of a commitment. It was something which was a relationship which was strong, or it was meant to be, or at least you planned for a committed relationship over here, and then there is unexpected exit. Perhaps you have made an unexpected exit, a very fast exit from the situation. And here this person with the Five of Swords and the Hierophant and the Tower, this is the person who is just, the energy here is that this person is now sort of repenting. What a fool I was. What did I do? I messed up with it. I messed up with the situation. Perhaps this person didn't think that you will walk away that fast. because there is some unexpected event over here which is making someone feel bad about a relationship. Okay, let's see how it proceeds. Okay, followed by the Ace of Pentacles here, the Tower, Ace of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, Nine of Pentacles. So we have the Ace of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords, the Ace of, sorry, the Nine of Pentacles, see what I am getting here is that this is the energy of a person who did not expect that you will exit so fast, because it was a tough situation, but you've managed to get out of it, and this was not expected by the other person. They are now feeling bad, they're laughing at themselves, what the hell did I do, sort of. And here with the Ace of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords, and the Nine of Pentacles, what I feel is that uh, you are sort of working on your own well-being. You're working on your own well-being. You are detached, you are not in touch with the person. You are finding a life of your own, a new beginning of your own life, a more meaningful beginning for your life with the Ace of Pentacles, something more meaningful, something more deep rooted, something new. And you've crossed that, and from the Page of Swords you have come to the Queen of Swords. So here you are looking for this, you who is looking or moving towards something more meaningful, something more deep rooted than what this was. And you are here happy to be alone, focusing on yourself, detached from whatever it was. And here with the King of Swords and the King of Cups, followed by the Ten of Wands, see, it can be that this person, whosoever this person was, because here we have the Ten of Wands, the Seven of Cups, and the Four of Swords. So what I am feeling here is perhaps this person had many options. Perhaps this person was secretly meeting someone. That's what I'm getting. Don't be gender specific over here. Perhaps this person used to meet someone secretly, and once you found that out, you decided to leave here with the Ten of Wands. Okay, you were just observing them. This is what I get, because this person was perhaps doing something which was not liked by you, perhaps maybe meeting someone, maybe whatever it was, but you were not liking this, and you were observing it, trying to see if they change, is the vibe which I am getting. And then, because here with the Seven of Cups, what I feel is that somebody had options. So maybe this was the reason. If it was not a committed relationship, then maybe this person was not committing to you, and perhaps that is what you wanted. But whatever it was which you didn't want, and you were observing this, when it didn't change, you decided to leave. And here now with the Four of Swords, I think this is the energy of this person, because this person is now feeling bad. This person didn't expect that you will exit like this. Okay, So they are meeting someone or they are not meeting someone, this will be only for a few of you. For most of you, it can be that this person was not committing. With the Seven of Cups, they were being indecisive perhaps. Maybe they were running away from commitment. But something which you wanted, they were not giving you what you wanted, and one fine day you just thought you should leave. That's what you did, which was unexpected for that person. And here they are with the Five of Swords, the Four of Swords. This is, I think, their energy, that they are feeling what I have messed up with this person. That's what they are feeling. So definitely there is something which is causing you to leave a relationship, at least now. I'm not saying it's permanent, but yes, at least for now. And here with the Nine of Diamonds, it's you just need a comfort for yourself over here. I just see that you need some sort of comfort for yourself. But the guidance from the angels is Two of Emotion. A relationship grows closer as two people fall in love, or a current relationship grows much stronger. Friendships may deepen into spiritual connection. Mutual love and respect and understanding exists or will develop. Don't give up on relationship that feels challenging to you. There is hope. So this is the last part of the message which I feel is for you, that perhaps this is not the time to, but even if you have left, then perhaps it is not the right time for you to take a final decision. Since this person is feeling bad about it, just give it some time. Maybe there is some sort of hope in this relationship, because already they are feeling bad about it. They're understanding that they have messed up, and they are understanding that because they were not expecting that you will exit in such a way. So perhaps you may need to give them a second chance. It depends on how they come back. Okay, because the way this person is feeling is, I think they will be back to you. Okay, but definitely there is something which has left them feeling bad over here. So Leos, that's all I have for you. Just hope it helps, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's see each other in the next video. Bye.